This is her first bike ride for Lily Mae. Yeah. You want to go bike riding? Yeah.
I don't think that's high enough.
Yeah. I don't know. Crank it down, Mommy.
See how she's kind of leaning forward.
Yeah, just pull down on it. Yeah. There you go. She's fine. Gotta get your helmet on. Gotta get your helmet on. Yay! All right. Oh, what a cutie. That thing's bigger than your head. Don't pinch her. Oh, good. That is awesome.
Does it look like it's fitting?
Yeah, it fits.
Okay.
Yay! Is that fun or what? Okay, now you gotta pull the red thing over.
Oh yeah. Okay. Lean back a little. Just spit on it immediately.
All right, cool, man. All right, we're ready to rock. Let's go.